Etched in memory. Understanding this vivid English expression. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, etched in my mind. This expression paints a vivid picture of how certain experiences can leave a lasting impression on our memories. Let's explore what it means, its origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, etched in my mind, means that a memory or an image is so strong and clear that it feels permanently inscribed in one's mind, just like an etching on a metal plate. It's often used to describe memories that are unforgettable and vivid, usually because they are important, shocking, or emotionally powerful. This expression has its roots in the art of etching, where a design is permanently carved onto a surface. By comparing a memory to an etch, it suggests that the memory is just as permanent and unchanging. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Whether you're recalling a happy moment, a sad memory, or a significant event in your life. To help you understand better, here are some examples. 1. The day my child was born is etched in my mind. I remember every detail vividly. 2. The image of the sunset over the ocean is etched in my mind. It was breathtaking. 3. His words during the farewell were so touching that they're etched in my mind forever. Similar expressions include burned in my memory, engraved in my heart, and imprinted in my mind. These all convey the idea of something being so impactful that it leaves a permanent mark on your memory or emotions. Etched in my mind is a beautiful and expressive way to convey the permanence of certain memories or experiences in our lives. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this phrase. Keep exploring the richness of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!